My name is Rob Carlson. I'm the North American manager for Red Metal Strip. So, what is slitting as a technology? Generally, we'll bring in some of these coils, see them behind us here, kind of wider, larger coils. And slitting is a process. You take a set of rotary knives and you basically cut it to the desired width of the customer. Yeah, so for the new slitter that we've just installed, the biggest thing is heavy gauge capability. And so prior to the upgrade, we were able to go to about 0.67 inches thick. Now we're up to 0.1575, 5/32, or roughly 4 millimeters thick. So quite a big capability improvement for here. The capacity helps us as well. It can run a lot faster than some of our other lines could prior. And it gives us some redundancy too. Before this, we could only really cut this heavy up in our Smithfield, Rhode Island branch. So now we can do it in multiple locations, do it locally for customers here in the Midwest. It's important to us to have slitting local for our local customers instead of having to freight it long distances. So Indianapolis we've had a slitting center here for a number of years, and it's important that we want to continue that. And it gives us just the redundancy to have multiple locations. If we have any problems, we can have it located somewhere else. Yeah, so the biggest industries that we see that utilize the heavier gauges is the electrical, some of the power distribution guys historically, a lot of demand in electric vehicle that we're seeing, big inquiries that are needing that heavy gauge. And then alternative power type of things, whether it be in the infrastructure, they're doing these decentralized grids for like wind power, solar, things like that. So a lot of those markets are asking for some of these thicker kind of copper bus bars, or bus bar in coil form is what I would call it, are kind of the key markets.